Unraveling the Mystery. What is a pie press? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, pie press. This might sound like something straight from a bakery, but as we'll see, it's a bit more complex than that. Stay tuned as we dive into the meaning and usage of this unique phrase. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning. A pie is a baked dish typically made of a pastry dough casing that contains a filling of various sweet or savory ingredients. The word press, in this context, refers to a device or tool used to shape or mold something. So, a pie press could be understood as a tool or machine used to shape or mold pies, particularly in commercial baking. Interestingly, the term pie press isn't commonly used in everyday English. However, in a figurative sense, it might be used creatively or humorously to describe a situation where someone is being pressured or squeezed, much like how a pie is shaped under pressure. It's important to note that this usage is not standard and might be found in more whimsical or imaginative contexts. Context is key when it comes to phrases like pie press. If you hear it in a conversation or see it in writing, consider the surrounding words and overall topic. Is it being discussed in a culinary setting or used metaphorically? Understanding the context will help you grasp the intended meaning accurately. Let's look at some examples to see how pie press might be used. 1. Literal usage. The bakery invested in a new pie press to increase production. 2. Figurative usage. I felt like I was in a pie press during that meeting, with everyone asking me questions at once. Notice how the meaning changes with the context. And that's a wrap on the phrase, pie press. We hope this video has shed some light on this unique expression and its possible uses. Remember, language is full of surprises, and phrases like these add color and fun to English. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language insights. See you in the next video, and keep exploring the wonders of language.